Hi everybody. So this is your very own website for learning from home. Okay, so we do expect, all of your teachers expect that you guys are still working hard for your mom. We've tried to make it very easy for you. Everyone's going to have their own link to click on, and they're only going to have 2 things that they have to do for the whole week. One reading thing and one math thing. So hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for you guys, okay? So you're going to start out by watching this video right here from Miss DeBoard. And then, I'm scrolling down, it's going to tell you. So you don't have to start until Monday. Everyone has their name, and they're going to click on it, okay? And it's going to tell you what you're going to do for that week. Let's try Matthew's first. Okay, so Matthew, he has one reading thing, his Lexia Core 5 workbook, and he only has to do one worksheet a day. And it has a little note Miss Becca wrote, Matthew works best with music playing with his headphones. He has one math worksheet, and that's it. Once you're done, Matthew. So get those done quickly, okay? For Maria, Miss Flowers has you clicking on your book, so watch when I click it. Then you have to click this link down here, and it's going to take you to Raz Kids. She wants you to listen, record, and do the quiz. That's all you have to do for the week. On math, you're going to watch the video and only do this many problems, and that is it for the whole week. Justin, you're going to go to Miss Beck's math group and take your Canvas Chapter 11 quiz, okay? Miss DeBoard is going to have a reading thing for you also. Just a quick reading A to Z book to read. And Jim Bob. Okay, Jim Bob, Miss Pam, you're going to click on the books right here like Maria did, and then click on Raz Kids. And then you're going to click on the math thing right here and click on that, okay, for your Alex math. That's it. She also said if you want to visit, she misses seeing you. These are the times they're Zooming, okay? All right, and Isaac, I don't have yours yet from your teacher, but you're just going to click on this, and the same thing, you're just going to have one reading thing and one math thing to do for Miss Conan, okay, guys? Now up here, I wanted to show you guys are the zones of regulation. And this week, Miss DeBoard made lessons about having a growth mindset and getting your work done, okay? I've included tips for your mom and dad too. So let's click on one and see what it says. This whole week, there's going to be Class Dojo videos. You guys just have to watch that. Maybe you want to make checklists, maybe not, that's okay. Okay, so every day this week there's going to be a little video for you to watch. And that's it. All right, I wanted you guys to know I miss you. I really like to see you at school, and I'm sad that we don't get to see each other at school. But I know you're going to work hard and do a good job for your mom, and I told her to call me if she needs any help or if she needs me to talk to you guys and give you a pep talk, okay? Okay, work hard this week.